Welcome to BUNKR. In this video, you'll learn how to get started sending messages. Let's get started. If you're using BUNKR for the first time and are not connected to anyone, click the Compose button in the top right corner. This will bring up your phone's contact sheet. From here, you can see which of your contacts are already in BUNKR, and if there's a lot of them, you can press Select All and even pick and choose which contacts you want to send invitations to by clicking Connect. Now if we go back to the contact sheet, and if you scroll down a bit further, who's not yet joined BUNKR? Clicking Connect will send an invitation to your family or friends who are not yet in BUNKR. And for a limited time, they can sign up using the offer code FREE to get their first year free. If you're joining from an invitation, you'll have a pending connection request where you can even tap to see if they're a verified contact in your phone before accepting. From there, you can start sending messages. And now we'll talk about group messages. Anyone inside of a group chat can add a new member by going to View Details and clicking Add Member. Doing this will send a request to the owner of the chat, who can ultimately decide whether they decline or accept the new members joining. And last but not least, if you find yourself inside of a group chat with people that you're not connected to, you can go to View Details and click Connect. This will automatically send them a connection request, and if they accept, a direct message will be created. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it's been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to BUNKR support in your direct messages.